Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of need permission of administrator to delete this folder. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now here I have created a folder to show you the process. Right click on the folder which you are not able to delete. Then go to Properties. In Property, go to Security. After that, in Security section, you can see the option of Advanced at the bottom. Simply click on it. Once you click on Advanced, another tab will open. Here, simply click on Change beside your device name. After that, you will see the option of Advanced again. Click on it and choose the option of Find Now. Once you do, in the list below, choose the administration with your desktop name and click on OK. After that, now in this tab, check the option of Replace Owner on Subcontainer and Object and also the Replace All Child Object permission. Click on Apply, click on Yes and allow all the permissions. Now, after you are done with this, again in the properties of this folder, go to Security. Then after, again go to Advanced Setting like we did before. After that, now here in this you need to see this administration option. So to change that, click on Add. Then after click on Select a Principal. Click on Advanced again. Go to Find Now option and choose the same administrator that you did before. Then click on OK. Again click on OK and allow the permission of full control and modify. After that, click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. As you can see, now you can delete this folder easily. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.